Everybody, welcome on over here, out here in Denver, attending Collaboration Aging. My passion is to try to figure out how to help funeral homes, hospices, and senior care providers to network and really refer business to each other. And one big idea is to leverage email marketing, right? Really, is first of all, you gotta make sure you have a very, very good database of your referral network. Once you have that, it's to really invest time to be creating content. So for example, what I do is I record a lot of these videos educating for homes, senior care providers, right, hospice, for example. And I repurpose this video a lot, right? I would upload it onto my website as a blog. I would actually put it in an email, right? Every Sunday, I send out an email blast with highlights to all my links to my videos. So that's my email, right? Newsletter. It's basically an e-version newsletter. I would definitely advise you to be recording a lot of these videos, send out as email blast one by one, or so I do like a Sunday profit tips newsletter. I send it out on Sunday with all the videos I recorded and write a lot of blogs. I put it on the website as well, publish articles. But every Sunday, I send out an email blast with helpful content. No selling involved. It's all just give, give, give. So I really advise you to really be leveraging email. Email these days, a lot of folks say, hey, I don't open emails. You get a lot of spam emails. I do get a lot of spam emails as well. But email open rate is still very high, right? Relatively still much higher, and it's free too. Literally, it's free, right? So those folks who say, hey, email marketing no longer works, I don't believe that. But the precursor to that, of course, is you gotta have a very good database. And you wanna make sure you are building network offline to get those emails. Once you have those emails, they're gold, right? First of all, even if they are referring their patients to you, for example, you still want to be nurturing. That's why email, anytime, right? You send an email, it shows up in your inbox. It gently reminds them, hey, wow, okay, that's top of my awareness. So now that social worker example, they're trying to, right, if the family is asked which funeral home I should use, right, top of mind, oh, wow, okay, they should use this. Because you're always showing up. You're always educating them. So email marketing definitely is a strategy you want to invest time in. It's free. Why not invest the time? It's definitely going to be one of the highest ROI strategies out there. Please invest some time in email marketing.